I love that duck blind right there. Oh my God. That's so beautiful. Look how big that is. Oh my God. That is giant.
Really?
So would this make an extremely high tide? Because it's tonight, the tide's extremely high right now, Mia. Mia, the tide's extremely high now.
It's high tide. No, it's gonna see. It's probably one of the lowest points now. It's gonna come through.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the size of that. Wow, that's like a harvest moon.
Wow.
Don't get wet, because I can't let you in the van.
Where did you print out the article?
I went online and I looked it up. I had heard it was going to happen today, and